All right, back for a bonus race after that long night of champions, which was a lot of fun. We're doing a giant leader outside the cones race, which is when every time the leader hits a coned off section, which is in 2 sections on the track, they have to take it, keeps people bunched up. It is a lot of fun. Okay, that's all you need to know. Oh, and then when there's 2 laps left, then we stop doing the cones. We just do heads-up racing at that point. It becomes a regular race. Ah, Dave! Ah, Duckman! Wow! Jeez, oh man! that was something. I don't know what happened there. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. Boy, you're just sending it on in there, brother, aren't you? Okay, Dave. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay. Ah, Duckman! Oh my God! She's so mad. Oh no! Oh, I'm sorry, brother. You literally turned into me. I couldn't do anything. Oh no! Oh no! He literally he turned himself. Oh no! What a disaster! Oh gosh! Okay, all right, okay. All right, we gotta catch some people. Ow! Sorry, bud. Get in there. I'm just a menace right now, apparently. Ah! It's okay. Watch out, bud. Watch out. Okay, we're fine. All right, let's get some more people. Oh. Ah! Sorry, Brian. Man, I am just a menace in this race. Oh my God. Ah! Jeez, oh. Guys. Oh my God. How did that even happen? How did I get turned like that? It is just a gaggle. My goodness. Oh no! Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, sorry, bud. Ah! Ah! What is happening? Ah! Ah, Ryan! God bless him. This race is a disaster. Oh my gosh. This race is an absolute disaster. Oh my gosh. No, no, no! Son of a beasting! Come on, brother, let's go. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. Ah! Is my brake pedal stuck or something? I don't know what's going on. I feel like I have slow acceleration coming out of the turns, like really slow. Yeah, I think it might be dying a little bit. I have like no top speed. That's okay. It's the last lap. It's the last lap. Oh my gosh, I got no speed. All right, good race, good race. What a wild ass race. Ah!